I started drawing cars in preschool. My father, I never forget, he drew a cylinder with 2 circles to it, and he told me to duplicate that. Something inside me just clicked, and I knew that, you know, with my obsession with cars, putting it to paper just made sense. My name is Robert Matthews, and I'm an employee at the Livonia Transmission Plant. I've been at Ford for a total of 27 years. I always wanted to work with cars. I always wanted to work in the industry. I know that's, you know, my vocation. Your transmission is more or less the heart of the vehicle, but it's pretty darn close to it. We build components for the 10R, 10-speed transmission for the F-150s and automatic Mustangs. We have 3 teams, Team 1, 2, and 3. We're Team 2, and our shift starts at 5:20. I usually arrive there about 10, 15 minutes ahead of time. At 5:20, the line starts. You know, we hit the ground running. We work 1 station per hour, then we rotate. We make sure everything is in place when you're at work. Everybody depends on you like you depend on everybody else. When I do my part and I do it well, it makes everybody else's job, you know, that much easier. When I draw, I make sure that every line is where it's supposed to be in this relation to space. I think about the perspective. Everything has some type of volume, some type of shape to it. Even though I do it freestyle, I do it through a mechanical process. I like seeing people's reaction to it. When I put it up on the wall, I get a rush from that.
Hi, Jim.
Jim, nice to meet you.
Nice
Robert.
to meet you.
When I met the CEO, Jim Farley, it was cool.
This car is amazing. It's nothing sounds like that.
He had quite a bit knowledge of history of a lot of the cars that I drew. He's a real car guy. I like that. I like somebody who not only understands the business, but understands cars. I enjoy the people who I work with. I enjoy doing what I do. When I go to work, I come in with a smile, and I leave with a smile. You're judged by your work. You're judged by your ability to get the job done. Well, everything I do, I like to make it right. People who know me know that, you know, I take pride in what I do, no matter what it is.